Hello and welcome. It's good to have you here again. I am Oluwakemi and this is question 8 of the WAEC 2017. And the question goes thus: if x is equals to 2 over 3 and y is equal to minus 6, evaluate x, y minus y over x. So we have to substitute these given values of x and y in this given equation. So let us quickly write this out so as to go ahead with the substitution. Okay, good. So basically where the confusion comes in question like this is having the denominator as a fraction. Okay, so what you can do is just quickly to rewrite this. Okay, and this will mean that y is to divide x, isn't it? Good. So now you will see how this will come out easily. Okay, good. So now for x we have it as 2 over 3. Okay, then for y we have it as minus 6. Okay, we can put this in bracket. All right, so on the second side we have y, which is minus 6. Okay, to divide x, which is a fraction of 2 over 3. Alright, on the left hand side we can see that we can go ahead by simplifying further by dividing the denominator by 3 and this by 3, so we end up having minus 2. So 2 times minus 2, that gives us minus 4. Good. Then on the right hand side, bracket on the right hand side, we see have a division sign here, and in fraction you need to convert this division sign to the multiplication sign. So this will be times, and that implies that the denominator and the numerator will now interchange. That is 3 over 2. The denominator becomes the numerator becomes the denominator. Okay, so with this we can quickly cross out. 2 goes in here 1, 2 goes in here minus 3. So if we simplify further, we have minus 4. Okay, then in here we have minus 3 times 3, that is minus 9. Then minus 9 times minus will give us plus 9. Okay, good. So if we say minus 4 plus 9, this will give us 5 as our final answer. So the answer option B is the right answer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.